Hey guys, welcome to the LAAG community. Today we're going to go through how to fill out LAAG's first 500 membership form. This is a special campaign we're currently putting out to get our first 500 core members. With LAAG Wallet 1.0, we hope to get more feedback from the community to provide impactful services and utilities that best suit our members. To incentivize our first 500 members, we'll be giving out a limited First 500 Club Discord role, which will provide additional benefits down the road, as well as host multiple raffles worth $500 in total value that ends August 31st, 2022. I won't get into too much detail this video, but you can read all about it on the membership form page. To start off, the first three sections are pretty straightforward. Please provide your full name, email address, and highest academic level. We ask for your full name and email for identification purposes, and academic level for our upcoming scholarship program we hope to provide in the near future. The next step is to download our LAAG Wallet app, which are now available on both the Apple Store and the Android Store. For tutorials on how this works, check out the video link on the membership form. In this step, you will need to provide us with your public address. Again, if you are not sure how this works, please check out our LAAG Wallet 1.0 introduction video. A public address is needed for us to verify that you have a Solana blockchain wallet and for us to easily distribute any cryptocurrency to you if you are a winner in any of our events. We recommend taking a screenshot while you're at this section, as the next section requires you to upload a screenshot using the LAAG wallet. The next section on the membership form is a complicated but crucial part. Discord is going to be the main hub for our members to get information and participate in LAAG activities and events. What we need is your Discord ID. If you're unfamiliar with how Discord works, please check out the YouTube link provided for basic tutorial. Once you have Discord downloaded and have created an account, use the LAAG community link to join our server. The last section of the membership form is about joining our Telegram group. If Discord is a place for activities, events, and all other information, Telegram will be a place for our members to just chat. Unlike WhatsApp, Telegram does not have a limit to 512 participants in a group. It is simple to use and more secured compared to WhatsApp. We understand that not everyone will need this, and thus it is optional in the membership form. Lastly, if you were referred by a leader or an ambassador, please let us know who they are so we are able to take note and reward them for their efforts. This is just the beginning for our community, and we're excited to have you join us. Thank you, and have a great day.